How to print Cash App QR code. Printing a Cash App QR code is a simple process that can be beneficial for businesses and individuals who frequently transact through the Cash App. Start by log into your Cash App account and click on your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. Select the QR code option provided on the right-hand side of your profile photo. Use the sharing option to download the image of your QR code or take a screenshot to share it with others. To print the QR code, save the image to your computer or mobile device. Connect your device to a printer and print the QR code in the desired format for easy readability. Printing the QR code allows you to display it prominently in your shop or business, facilitating quick and contactless transactions for your customers. Remember to ensure that the QR code is printed in a legible size to be easily scanned by a mobile phone camera. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.